Okay, ready to roll. Well, I haven't been here lately. I focused more on car videos than any kind of tech videos. But this channel is now only tech, only cars, and then some car related podcasts. And photo, video, and drone related stuff will be published on The Big Phil, which I'm gonna link down below. But today I have amazing unboxing for you. It is DJI Mic Mini. Finally, after 2 weeks of purchasing it, I will unbox it. So let's go for a drive. No, it's not a drive. Let's dive into the unboxing. Now I will tell you what's in the box. So there's a receiver, two transmitters, infinity black, that's the color, a charging case, carrying pouch, two clip magnets, mobile phone adapter, a USB Type-C. I've purchased separately a lightning adapter. You have four windscreen muffs, two black and two black and gray. Then camera audio cable, which allows you to connect the receiver to the camera, like I have my Rode Wireless Pro connected just now. Then you have USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable for charging, some documents, instructions, and these funky looking stickers. Let's talk why I've decided to buy a DJI Mic Mini over Rode Micro. Micro? I think that's what they called. I might be wrong, but I can't remember, to be totally honest. Rode Wireless Micro. You can buy or a USB Type-C or Lightning. You're unable to buy two mics with two different receivers. So the receiver is something you plug into your phone or to any other USB Type-C device compatible with the microphones. Recently, Rode released also a receiver you can plug via mini jack to your camera and use those two wireless microphones while recording with your camera instead of your phone. Jesus, I haven't recorded unboxing for months, so I'm quite stiff, so forgive me. Anyway, why I've decided to buy this microphone despite having Rode Wireless Pro. Well, it's simple. With Rode Wireless Pro, to connect my receiver to the phone, you have to use a cable. In theory, nothing complicated. You plug in the phone, you plug in the receiver here, but this hangs like wild and and literally it bounces. So literally I was afraid of unplugging this and worried that my receiver will end up on the ground, will be broken or whatever. That's why I've decided to go for the DJI Mic Mini, because with the USB Type-C adapter you can plug it in directly, and as you can see, it's solid. It's literally solid. Also, the DJI Mic Mini is a really tiny microphone and it's very easy to use or a clip or a magnet to attach it to, oh, I have one here already, to attach it to your shirt. And they're really light compared to the receivers from Rode. Simply because the Rode receivers, the mics, are larger, bigger. I'm gonna take this off just now. Another thing why I bought this microphone is ease of changing the gain. +12, +6, 0, -6, -12 decibels, and then recording it directly to your phone. You don't need to change anything in the app. You can change it in the app, but you don't have to change it in the app. So you can adjust the volume only using this knob, which has a really distinctive sound. Actually really nice. And as I said before, I've purchased also the lightning connector. Everything fits perfectly into the carrying case, which is very handy. Just like that, and into your pocket. The charging case is not too big, it's easy to carry. You can put it in your trousers, in your jeans, whatever. It will stick out slightly, but compared to anything else, because I have Rode here, you have two cases. One is a charging case, one is an accessory case. It's less convenient to carry. So having these microphones, planning to record more vertical content, will be much easier for me to take it on a trip, to take this microphone anywhere on my way to the gym. These microphones will allow me to take them on photo walks and record vertical content straight on my phone for YouTube Shorts. It's not heavy, very convenient, well built, plastic, but honestly really well built. You open it, the microphones and the receiver are charged, you take them out, put the case back in the pocket, put the microphone in you and start recording. Simply just press record. This unboxing been a bit quite chaotic because I haven't done an unboxing for a while, actually almost a year. Without further ado, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my new YouTube channel, The Big Phil. Main subject of that channel is photo walks, video walks and drone talks. At the moment I publish there only my podcast, which is called The Creator's Angle, where I share my photo, video and drone related experiences and my knowledge. And that'll be the main subject of that channel, photo, video and drones. On this channel, Big Phil Online, I will keep publishing some tests and some unboxings if I ever buy any new gear. Also, this will be dedicated to my Big Phil Drives series, as well as a podcast, car related podcast. I don't have a title yet, but stay tuned, something is cooking. Right, I've been talking for far too long, I can imagine, but it's been a pleasure. Haven't been online for ages now, so it's a pleasure to talk to you guys. So if you enjoyed the video, and I hope you did, please give it a thumbs up, it always helps the algorithm. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and remember to hit the bell notification icon to be notified when I upload a new video. Also, if you have any comments, leave them in the comment section down below. I will make a test between a Wireless Pro, Rode Wireless Pro and DJI Mic Mini in the nearby future. On Rode Wireless Pro, I won't be using lavalier mic like I use now for recording this video, because the DJI Mic Mini does not support lavalier mics. So all it's going to be indoors, outdoors and multiple locations to show you what the difference is in the sound between the Rode Wireless Pro and DJI Mic Mini. So that's an upcoming video. Once again, I've been talking for far too long, nonetheless. In this episode, that's all. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers!